Hello, y'all. Sorry I am not there with you today. Remember, I'm taking Peyton to the doctor, but I wanted to make sure that y'all got your warm-up done correctly. So remember, you should have your notes open. You should be looking at Friday's notes. If you didn't do Friday's notes, you should be doing that first. You bring this plus sign down. So that becomes 4 plus 13. You change this arrow to an equal. So I'm going to type down here how you would rewrite it. I would change this to 4 plus 13 equals x. Now you're just solving for x. I'm pretty sure that y'all can do that. You can solve for x. Let's look at what I would do for the next one. Okay, we have 24. Change this arrow to an equal x, because we have a blank. Bring this plus sign down. 17. So you have to get x alone. Go back to your notes. What did we do to get x alone when there was something on the same side? Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So if you do minus 17 on this side, you have to do minus 17 on that side. Okay, and number 4, you have a blank, so x. Change this arrow to an equal 12. Bring this plus sign down, plus, 8. Y'all can do that. You have a quiz after this that is going to be doing the same thing. You can do this. Rewrite each problem. Bring your plus signs down, change your arrows to an equal.